What's wiggling Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shay Muma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the Philips Hue 4 bulb starter kit. Now, what makes these light bulbs super duper cool is not only can you control them with an app on your phone or with your voice with Siri, Alexa, Cortana, or even the Google Assistant, but these bad boys also change colors. So if that isn't cool, I don't know what is, folks. Anyway, before we get to the actual unboxing, I just got to give a huge thank you to Philips for giving me a nice press discount on these guys right here to feature them on Warenotice. Thank you so much, Philips. And anyway, let's get these bad boys out of the box.
Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO.
So now, folks, here we are up close and personal with this Philips Hue starter kit box. And anyways, you can see on the front of the box, it shows that it has 4 light bulbs, 4 Philips Hue light bulbs in this box, like I said earlier. And it also comes with the Philips Hue bridge. And basically what the bridge does is it's like the middleman between the various Philips Hue gadgets, like these light bulbs, and your phone, your Siri, your Alexa, whatever you're using to tell the Philips Hue light bulbs what to do. So you're gonna need to plug that bridge into your router via an Ethernet cable. And yeah, over here on the box, it also shows, guess what? These lights can produce 16 million different colors. That's a lot of colors, folks. A lot. And also standard white light from warm white to cool daylight. Here's another picture right here. As you can see, the app is available on the iOS App Store as well as on Google Play. Makes sense, folks. And then yeah, right here on the back of the box, you can see a bunch of different specific things you can do with these lights. Like you can use them to wake you up, actually. That's pretty cool. You can also sync the lights with your music and movies, which is something that I think is pretty cool. Very good for entertainment purposes. And yeah, a lot of different things you can do with them right here. Here are some pictures. And remember earlier how I talked about the different types of white light these light bulbs can produce? If you're wondering the specific color temperatures, they are 2000 to 6500 Kelvin. Also, these lights are dimmable. They're smart lights, makes sense. And yeah, if you're wondering, they're also 800 lumens and use 10 watts of power. So without further ado, I don't know about you guys, but let's get this open. So here we go, folks. Just like that. And wow, that was an easy unboxing. Here we go. Talks about the steps to set it up. You plug in the light bulb, you turn on the bridge, you get it all connected, plugged into your Ethernet, plugged into power. You download the app on your phone, you get them set up, and boom, just like that, you're good. So, ooh, here they are. Here's that Philips Hue bridge. Wow, that is smaller than I expected. That I was talking about earlier, very small. I'm surprised, actually. Look at this little cute guy right there. Philips, Ethernet port, power port. And yeah, look at that guy right there. We can just put it to the side. Right here we got some paperwork. Put that to the side. And here are the stars of the show, the light bulbs. Now, I don't know about you guys, but have you ever seen a guy get this excited about light bulbs before? Maybe that's why I can't get a girlfriend, but hey, whatever. These are still pretty cool. So here's one light bulb. Here is 2 light bulbs. Let's just put these to the side. Hopefully they do not roll away, because you know light bulbs. So here we go. Just pull this little top thing off, and then here are 2 more light bulbs. It's awesome how these come in a 4-pack, by the way. So yeah, here these go. And let's see what else we got in the box. We got some more plastic right here. And then right here it looks like we got our various cables. Now these are obviously important for that Philips Hue bridge. We've got right here, what is this? Right here we've got that Ethernet cable I was talking about earlier. And then also obviously you got your power adapter right here, your power cord, as well as the little American wall outlet thingy right here. You know what this is. That you can just slide on the AC adapter and boom. So just like that, folks, the box is nice and empty. So now I'm gonna get these bad boys all set up and show you what they can do. And now, folks, as you guys can see, I've got these 4 beautiful Philips Hue light bulbs all nice and set up. I've got them in these lamps spread out across the room. And yeah, just so you guys know, they are the only things lighting up this room right now, besides, of course, the sunlight creeping in through this window right here. But yeah, looking pretty good. So without further ado, let me show you some of the things they can do. And they can do a lot of cool things, folks. So here we are on my iPhone XS Max in the Philips Hue app. You can use this app and also a lot of other platforms like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant to control these bad boys. So first, let's look at the app. So as you can see, you can divide the lights between the different rooms they're in. Right now, they're only here in this room, so we can just tap on this room. And yeah, first thing you'll notice is you can see right here, if you tap this button, a list of the different lights in the room. And you can actually name each individual light bulb. You can give them silly names like maybe Fred, Tom, or whatever. Or you can give them practical names like I did. So we've got a nightstand light over there on the nightstand. That makes sense. So as you can see, flip that switch and just that light bulb turns off. We've also got a right desk light right here on the right of my desk. Makes sense. We've also got a dresser light right over there on the dresser, and we've also got one last light right here on the left side of the desk. Turn that off, but you know what? I want them all on. That's the purpose of this video. So guess what? You can turn on all the lights at once with this switch right here in the top corner of the screen, and yeah, pretty cool. And yeah, as you guys can also see, there are these sliders underneath the various light sections, and what those let you do is dim the lights. So right now they're at 10% brightness. I don't like it like that. I want it all the way bright at 100%. And look, just like that, you can pick the brightness too of individual bulbs, maybe if you want some brighter than others, just like that. Check it out, folks. And you know what? I changed my mind, obviously. 100% brightness, that's what I want. So yeah, now if we come over to this button right here next to the little list button, we've got this one that looks like a paint palette if you're a painter or whatever. And well, what does that let you do? It lets you pick from different scenes. So these bulbs come with a number of preset themes in the app, like Savannah Sunset. And now what these themes do, as you can see, is it sort of puts these preset colors onto your bulbs to give you like a sort of feel, a sort of vibe around the whole room. So as you can see, this one, like a Savannah Sunset, like it's called, we got this tropical sunlight. Maybe if you're trying to get that resort vibe going, setting the mood. You got the spring blossom one. This one's pretty nice. It's pink and nice white light. Very, very nice. And yeah, we've also got this one, Arctic Aura. It's this very sort of light blue sort of color light going on everywhere. And yeah, you can also see these other scenes that Philips Hue calls light recipes, and what these do, like relax, read, concentrate, and energize, is basically give you light that's supposed to help you with those things. So as you can see, this energize one is very cool, very bright, 100% brightness, white light. Hopefully that'll energize you. And yeah, over here on concentrate, it's a little more yellow, but still very bright, 100% brightness. Over here on read, still 100% brightness and even more yellow, warm light. And yeah, lastly at relax, it dims it a bit, makes the light even more warm. If you're trying to, I don't know, kick back, relax after a tough day on the job with your Philips Hue lights, you can do that, folks. We've also got a dimmed scene right here if you want your lights very dimmed. And we've also got this night light scene, which guess what, puts the lights at the smallest possible brightness. And yeah, it makes them sort of act like a night light. So if you're into that, if you're scared of the dark, these bulbs could just be for you, am I right? Anyway, yeah, so if we come over here, let's put them on Spring Blossom for now. So now if we come over here to this third button next to the Scenes button, this one right here, it lets you pick a color from this color wheel. So as you can see, we can come around here. This light that we're moving is the nightstand light. So as you can see over there, look at that. Let's make this one blue. This one right here, this is the dresser light. Let's make this, I don't know, how about pink? Oh yeah, look at that. And then right here, we've got this light group of the two desk lights. Ooh, we can make these two green. Look how colorful we are, folks. Is that not crazy? And yeah, if you press this last button right here, look at this. You can go through the color sort of wheel like we were before, except only with the various temperatures of white light. We've got the warm yellow light up here. We've got sort of middle ground, just normal white right there in the middle. And then at the bottom, we got nice, cool white light. And yeah, folks, that is pretty cool, isn't it? And also, we can put away the iPhone XS Max for right now because I have a Google Home Mini and an Amazon Echo Dot over there listening in. So, hey Google, turn my lights cool white.
You got it. Changing 4 lights to cool white.
Hey Google, turn my lights red.
Okay, changing
Ooh, check out that Warenotice red, folks. Alexa, turn my lights pink.
Okay.
Just like that, baby. Alexa, turn my lights off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn my lights on.
Okay.
Hey Google, turn my lights off.
You got it. Turning 4 lights off.
Hey Google, turn my right desk light blue.
Sure. Changing the right desk to blue.
Alexa, turn my left desk light red.
Okay.
Just like that, baby. Isn't that cool, folks? You can literally go light bulb to light bulb with whatever color you want. So, yeah, with that, folks, I think that'll be all for this video. Just an unboxing, just showing you some of the many cool things you can do with these Philips Hue light bulbs in this starter kit. So, yeah, once again, big thank you to Philips for giving me a nice press discount on these bad boys so that I could make this video about them for all of you guys, the wonderful Warenoticers. So, yeah, thank you, Philips. And also, thank you to everyone who's watching this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, Big Daddy Shane does love all his subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll love you. And yeah, thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice, out with a bunch of cool Philips Hue light bulbs, baby.